Okay,
Want me to go underneath and hold it from underneath it? Well, we'll see. I probably have to hold
so they got the next piece of tin in there with a rounded divot for the diff, and they're about to weld it here right away. So it's fitted in there, so you don't have to pound out with a sledgehammer.
If you, just a minute.
So they everything's in here. Got that last piece obviously still to do, but I think Coop's got some grinding underneath there. He wants.
Diff sits there.
Yeah,
now.
nice and clean.
And there's no, like the diff is free, eh?
Yeah,
And then you see these plates on the side?
yeah,
Well, they got to be replaced because as you can see,
pretty rusted out, and it goes right through.
you can see right through. Eh?
Yeah. So Dad's got some repairs to do there. Sometimes you just don't see this stuff until you actually start pulling it apart. So there's one hole there, one hole there. You can see another one back over there. But Dad's going to get in here and weld in that last piece of steel, or this piece of steel, because we still got to put this in. And we're going to walk around here. Took the day off yesterday, went to go visit some family down in Dauphin. And Dad's going to get welding here.
The narrowest goes to the back.
Okay, so Dad's hired man here is going to hold on to that steel, and they're going to put all that in.
You have to put it up like this, Ken. Because put your hand under here. That's it. That's it. It has to fit in here. That's it. Go down and do this. Because this is glue. Right? This is shiny. This way. I'll just crack it. We're going to make sure before we get a whole bunch of welding going on. Should sit there.
So what Dad's going to have to do is now he's going to have to bend that in place to fit it.
tap it a bit here so it's tight. You can use the ball peen right there.
Okay, we got the fan on in the shop because it is freaking hot in here and humid, and had to run to town for some welding rods so Dad could finish off the job here, and they're just putting everything into place. Earlier wasn't here at the shop yet. They got this piece installed. And so they still got this here to do bit, but they got that little bit there done now. That's got everything tack welded. They're gonna have to do some grinding underneath there to get everything smooth, and then Dad can finish off the welding. And he's bouncing between 3 jobs right now. This Bombardier, the other customer's blue Bombardier, and then we got an airboat outside. So Monday, July 15th or something like that. I think it's the 15th. It's a 3-job day, and the dogs are relaxing. We got Schooner Shop Dog having second lunch. Charles in charge is having a lay down. Daisy Puckatawagan Garbage Dog's on her couch, and we got the cat overseeing everything. Hey kitty. So kind of hope it rains here because we need things to cool off a bit. So they're doing the cutting outside here just because it's so freaking hot in the shop, and they're getting gassed out. That's why I partly got that fan on. So they're going to do the last cut here for that last piece for the Yellow Bombardier to get that floor in. And yeah. So I was out busy cutting grass. Dad and his hired man got that piece in, and that one went in earlier today. They still have, or yesterday I mean, they still got this little bit right here. They got this done here and shaped, and they still got a little bit of welding there to do. So one more piece of 1/8 gauge on this Bombardier, and the floor's back in, and then just start reassembling it. Hot, hot, hot day.